Welcome to the heart of Punta del Este, a harbor where elegance meets the rhythm of the sea. Here, luxury boats rest under the morning sun, their reflections dancing on the water. Just a few steps away, the calm is broken by the chaos of winds. Seagulls gathering for breakfast as locals toss them scraps with familiar ease. Unbothered by the noise, sea lions claim their place in the sun, lazy, heavy, and completely at peace. This is their port too, and they know it. Right nearby, the catch of the day finds its ways to the docks. Fishermen clean, slice, and sell the freshest fish straight from the ocean. No middleman needed. It's not just a job, it is a tradition. And you can smell it in the air, salt, sea, and something ancient. These hands know the tides better than the clock. They've been doing this every day for years. Further down, it's the work boats, red, rugged and practical, less polished, more real. There is no show here, just rhythm, quiet, steady and essential. Every rope has its place, every gesture has muscle memory. This is the pulse beneath the postcard view. Here the harbor breathes. Men haul, wash, repair. Life hums in the hands that keep it moving. And as we look back to the gleaming yachts, it's clear Punta's port isn't just about wealth or work, it's a meeting point of contrasts, wild and refined, slow and busy, raw and beautiful, just like the sea itself.